Okay, in dealing with subdividing fractional sections, one of the things we need to look at is how to calculate a weighted mean. I've drawn an example here of section 10 that's fractional, and in the field we found the northeast section corner, the north quarter corner, and the meander corner. We found the east quarter, we found the southeast section corner, and we found this meander corner. Okay, we measure on an astronomic basis of bearings, and from the northeast section corner to the north quarter corner we get north 89 degrees 17 minutes west, 2,641 feet. Then from the north quarter corner to the meander corner we measure north 88 degrees 45 minutes west, 396 feet. Okay. Then from the southeast section corner to the meander corner we measure south 87 degrees 35 minutes west, 2,508.00 feet. What we need to do is to determine the direction of the line from the east quarter corner to start working to subdivide section 10. And so what we do is we're going to use a weighted mean, taking this line into consideration, this line into consideration, and this line into consideration, because remember, in a section 10 the north and south lines were intended to be parallel. I'm going to show you an easy way to calculate a weighted mean just using coordinate geometry. The first thing you want to do is change the bearings to azimuths. So 271 degrees 15 minutes 396 feet, 270 degrees 43 minutes 2,641 feet, and 267 degrees 35 minutes 2,508 feet. So I've changed them all to azimuth. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to randomly pick a point. In this case I chose the southeast section corner, and I assigned it coordinates of northing 15,000, easting 15,000. Then what I do is I make sure that I'm going, in this case, a westerly direction, a westerly direction, westerly direction. That let me redo that. Westerly direction, westerly direction, westerly direction. Make sure that the azimuths are going in the right direction and I'm not using back azimuths. And then I'm just going to do coordinate computations using latitudes and departures. So I'm going to go from here to this meander corner. Then I'm going to pick this up in theory and move it here and make this meander corner at the end of this line. Then I'm going to calculate to here and then to here. Once I do that, I get the coordinates of this meander corner as 14,935.9189 feet and the easting 9,457.5314 feet. Then I'm just going to inverse between the sets of coordinates. When I do so, I'm going to get a bearing of south 89 degrees 20 minutes 15 seconds west. That is the weighted mean using this information. So from here I would run that bearing until I intersected the lake or water boundary, whatever this happens to be, but I would run that bearing. Now from here, let's say that we don't quite make it 40 chains, and so we're not quite able to set the center quarter. Well, remember, our intention in a section 10 was to be parallel to the east boundary, and so I would run this line parallel to this line, and that's how I would subdivide this section 10, and it also illustrates how to do a weighted mean.